Can you really fry ice cream without it melting? It sounds impossible, but chefs around the world have mastered this surprising culinary trick. Let's uncover how ice cream stays solid even in hot oil. When you drop ice cream into hot oil, the heat usually melts it instantly. But frying ice cream works because of a protective barrier. This barrier is usually made from a thick coating of cake crumbs, breadcrumbs, or tempura batter. It insulates the cold ice cream from the high temperature of the oil long enough to get crispy and golden on the outside without melting the inside. Before frying, the ice cream must be very cold and firm. Typically, scoops of ice cream are frozen solid for several hours or overnight. This extreme cold means the ice cream can withstand a quick dip in hot oil without melting immediately. The cold core and hot exterior create a surprising contrast that makes fried ice cream a unique dessert experience. The frying process is very fast, usually just a few seconds at high temperatures between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This short frying time crisps the coating without allowing the heat to penetrate deeply. Timing and temperature control are critical to prevent the ice cream from melting into a liquid mess. Fried ice cream surprises your senses because you get a warm, crunchy exterior instantly followed by a cold, creamy interior. This contrast plays with temperature and texture, making it a favorite in many cuisines. The science and technique behind it make it a fascinating culinary feat that's delicious and fun to eat. So yes, you can really fry ice cream without it melting, thanks to a protective coating, freezing technique, and precise frying time. Next time you enjoy fried ice cream, remember the clever science and skill behind it. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.